Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to expand and simplify brackets. Before I start, there is a link to this very web page in the description of this YouTube video. So once you watch this video, if you want to have a go at some questions and basically use this piece of software to test yourself, just click the link and it'll take you to this web page and you can have a go at the questions. So let's get started. How do you expand and simplify brackets? What we want to do is we want to take this expression and simplify it. We want to make it smaller. So how do we go about doing that? Well, it's a really simple task. All we need to do is expand each one of these brackets. Now, if you don't know how to expand each one of these brackets, make sure you've practiced the expanding brackets task that is on the website as well. Okay, so what we do is expand each one of these brackets one at a time. So first of all, we'll multiply these two expressions. So what's 3 times 2x? Well, that is 6x. So I'm going to write that here, 6x. Okay, and then I'm going to do 3 times 4, and that's going to be 12. Okay, so that's the first bracket expanded. And now we just need to expand the second bracket. So what's positive 2 times 5x? Well, that's just 10x. And then what's positive 2 times negative 7? That's minus 14. Just remember that minus sign there belongs to that 7 there. So when you do, and that positive belongs to the 2, so when you do 2 times minus 7, that's minus 14. Okay, so now what we need to do is collect like terms. So we just need to collect together the terms that are kind of like similar to one another. So here we've got a 6x and we've got a 10x, a positive 10x. So when we add those two, we'll get 16x. Okay, and then we've got a 12 take away 14. So 12 take away 14, that is minus 2. So this is going to be our answer. So let's check that. Okay, so the computer's converted it correctly. And lo and behold, we got it right. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's press new button. New question, sorry. Okay, so this one's a little bit different because you have to be careful with some of the minus signs here. Okay, so we need to do 6 times 4x, that's 24x. Then we need to do 6 times minus 7, that's minus 42. So that's the first bracket done. Now we need to move on to the second bracket and multiply that out, but we just need to be very careful. That's minus 5 times 2x, that's minus 10x. Okay, very straightforward. But this is minus 5 times minus 3. Now just remember, two negatives make a positive, so we need to write positive, and the answer would be, the value would be plus 15. So remember, two minuses make a plus, so it would be plus 15. Okay, so now we need to collect together the right terms. Okay, so we've got a 24x, take away a 10x, let's put that down, so that's going to be 14x. Then we have a minus 42, add 15, so how much is that? That's going to be minus 27. Okay, so let's check that. Okay, there's our conversion, that's done correctly, let's check it. Okay, and we got it right. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, this one's a bit different because you've got x's on the outside. So we just need to think about how we multiply x's. So we've got 3x times 4x. Well, 3 times 4 is 12, so let me write that first. And then x times x is just x squared. Okay, so that's the first two multiplied. Then we need to do 3x times minus 7. Okay, well, 3 times minus 7 is minus 21, but then you have to put an x on the end. Oops. You have to put an x on the end because the x is going to multiply the minus 21. Okay, so that's the first bracket done. Let's do the next one. Okay, minus 5x times 4x is going to be minus 20x squared. And then minus 5x times minus 9 is positive, first of all, 45x. Just remember, two minuses make a plus, so it's plus 45x. Okay, so now we need to collect together the like terms. So we've got let's undo that. Okay, so we need to collect together the like terms. So we've got a 12x squared, and that is kind of similar to that one. You have to keep the x's kind of separate, the x squareds and the x terms separate from one another. So we've got 12x squared, take away 20x. So that is going to be minus 8x squared. Okay, sorry, 12x squared take away 20x squared is minus 8x squared. So we've collected those. Now we need to collect the x terms. We've got minus 21x, add 45x. Well, how much is that? That's going to be positive. That will be 24x. Okay, so this is our answer. So let's check it. Okay, there's the conversion. Let's check the answer. Okay, we got it right. Okay, now you've learned that skill, and it's really important that you practice that. So please, please, please go to the link in the description and have a go at these questions right now, so you can see that you've learned it. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be lots of more videos coming very soon. So thank you very much, everyone.